Today we're going to learn about one of the spelling rules that you need to know as a writer, whether or not we use an or a. Before we can do that, we need to understand our vowels. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Here is an example of when we would use an. I ate an apple. Apple starts with A, so because that's a vowel, I have to use an. In the next sentence, it says, I ate an ice cream. This ice cream starts with a vowel, I, so I have to use an. The next sentence says, I ate an egg. Again, egg starts with a vowel, E, so the spelling rule is that I have to use an. Okay, so here are some examples. This first sentence here says, I have an egg on my head. Vowel, have to use an. The second sentence says, I ate a banana. The reason that it's an A and not an an is that this is not a vowel. B, banana, is a consonant. So the rule is that can be an a. I ate a banana. Okay, this sentence here, I have an umbrella. U, consonant. Spelling rule, an. I have an umbrella. Last sentence, I have a pear. P, consonant. Spelling rule, I can use a. I have a pear. Hope this was helpful. Enjoy.